walk you through a few of the steps that we do before we issue a new series of notes to make sure that they'll satisfy the requirements of the Canadian environment. So first, we put the notes through what we call a crumple tester. Paper notes will sometimes tear when they're very crumpled, and that's just like simulated or circulated notes that you have in your wallet. However, the polymer substrate is very durable, so we can crumple it several times, and there are no holes, there are no tears. You always have this very nice edge. The next test is very simple. We have the polymer note in boiling water. The note has been in there for about 45 minutes now. And if I take the note out, give it a quick shake to make sure it's cool enough to the touch, shows that even at 100 degrees, the note exhibits no change. Now, on the opposite side of the scale, I have a glove box here and some dry ice chips. And you'll see the temperature inside the box is about minus 50 degrees. And I can take the note, crumple up the note, give it some sharp tugs, and it shows that even on our coldest days, you'll be able to use these polymer notes. Here, I have what we call a tumbler. And this allows me to simulate some of the wear and tear that the notes will show in circulation. I'll throw in all kinds of materials that will allow me to simulate wear on the notes, but also some soiling. And then I'll tumble the notes for minutes, hours, and sometimes even days. Here you see some paper notes and some polymer notes that have had the same testing cycle applied to them. So on the paper notes, you see that the note has become quite soiled, and you start to see some of these little edge tears that you see, again, on some of the notes that might be in your wallet if they've been circulating for some time. The polymer notes, because they're made of a non-porous material, they actually don't soil and they're completely waterproof. And even after being tumbled for hours or days, there are no tears. You still have that pristine edge. So that allows us to confidently say that a conservative estimate, the polymer notes will last at least 2.5 times the life of the paper notes out in circulation.